Keto Meal Plan. The Ultimate Keto Meal Plan is a comprehensive guide to the ketogenic diet, designed to help you get started and stick to this popular low-carb, high-fat eating plan. In this review, we will take a closer look at what the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan has to offer and whether it is worth your time and money. The Ultimate Keto Meal Plan is an ebook that is available for download from the internet. It is written by a certified nutritionist and is based on extensive research into the ketogenic diet. The ebook is divided into 3 main sections: Introduction, Meal Plan, and Recipes. The Introduction section provides a detailed overview of the ketogenic diet, including its history, benefits, and how it works. The author also explains the difference between the standard American diet and the ketogenic diet, and why the latter is a more effective way to achieve weight loss and improved health. The Meal Plan section is where the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan really shines. The author provides a detailed 14-day meal plan that is designed to help you get started on the ketogenic diet. Each day of the meal plan includes 3 meals and 2 snacks, along with the macro and calorie counts for each meal. The author also provides helpful tips on how to adjust the meal plan to suit your individual needs and preferences. The Recipes section is packed with over 70 delicious and healthy ketogenic recipes, including breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and even desserts. The recipes are easy to follow, and most can be prepared in under 30 minutes. Each recipe includes a list of ingredients, detailed instructions, and a full macro and calorie count. One of the things that sets the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan apart from other ketogenic diet resources is its focus on healthy and whole foods. The author emphasizes the importance of eating nutrient-dense, real food, rather than processed, high-carb snacks and meals. This not only makes the diet easier to stick to, but it also provides the nutrients your body needs to thrive. Another key benefit of the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan is its simplicity. The author breaks down the complex science behind the ketogenic diet into easily digestible information that anyone can understand. The meal plan is straightforward and easy to follow, making it a great resource for people who are new to the ketogenic diet. The Ultimate Keto Meal Plan also includes a helpful shopping list and pantry staples list, making it easier to stock up on the right ingredients for the meal plan. The author also provides tips on how to save money on ketogenic foods, making it more affordable for those on a budget. Overall, the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan is an excellent resource for anyone looking to get started on the ketogenic diet. The detailed meal plan, delicious recipes, and focus on healthy, whole foods make it a great choice for anyone looking to lose weight, improve their health, and feel their best. Whether you are new to the ketogenic diet or a seasoned pro, the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan is worth checking out. In conclusion, the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan is a comprehensive and effective guide to the ketogenic diet. Its focus on healthy, whole foods, straightforward meal plan, and delicious recipes make it a great resource for anyone looking to improve their health and achieve their weight loss goals. Whether you are new to the ketogenic diet or an experienced practitioner, the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan is an excellent choice for anyone looking to achieve their best health and wellness. Keto 30-Day Meal Plan, meltthisfat.com.